If Steam is throwing error 201, that usually means a connection timeout or server unavailable issue where the client can't establish a secure handshake with the content servers. In this video, I'll show you two of the most effective fixes you can try right away to get Steam working again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, we're going to fix the most common cause of 200 series Steam errors by removing the local files that can become corrupted or conflicting. Before you do anything else, completely exit Steam. Make sure it is not running in the background because you want the client fully closed before making changes. Now, open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder. This is usually where Steam is installed on your computer. Once you're inside that folder, look for two folders called Config and Userdata. These folders store local settings, session data, and other information Steam uses to load your account and preferences. If one of those files is damaged or outdated, it can trigger connection errors like error 201. So the next step is to delete both folders. If you're not comfortable deleting them outright, you can move them to a backup folder on your desktop instead. That way, you can restore them later if needed. After that, restart Steam and log in manually with your account details. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the error and let Steam connect properly again. If you still see error 201, especially when you're updating a game or downloading content, the next fix is to clear the download cache. To do that, open Steam and go to Settings, then click Downloads. In that section, look for the option to clear cache or clear download cache. Click it and Steam will restart automatically. Keep in mind that after clearing the cache, Steam will usually ask you to log in again. That is completely normal. This step can help remove temporary data that may be interfering with downloads, updates, or secure server communication. It's a simple fix, but it solves a lot of connection-related Steam issues. Once Steam reopens, sign back in and test whether the problem is gone. If error 201 is still happening, try restarting your internet connection as well, and make sure Steam isn't being blocked by any firewall or security software. But in most cases, deleting the config and user data folders, followed by clearing the download cache, is the best place to start. So to quickly recap, fully close Steam, delete or back up the config and user data folders, restart Steam and log in again, then go into Settings, Downloads, and clear the download cache. These steps are specifically useful for fixing Steam error 201 and other similar connection errors. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.